Hello everyone, for this tutorial video, I'd like to explain how lenses work, such as a magnifying glass or the eyeglasses I'm wearing right now. A lens is nothing more than a special device that applies refraction, owing to the way it is shaped. In particular, the etymology of the word lens comes from the fact it is shaped like a lentil beam, and if we were to diagram out the light entering it and exiting it, we would see that at the places in the lens where the object is curved, the light would curve or bend, and at the places where the lens is flat, the light would pass straight through. The light behaves in this way because of the law of refraction, i.e., they bend toward the perpendicular of the lens, and so therefore would all meet at that same position. Owing to this special fact, the technical term for the position where the lines meet is called the focal point, and the distance you measure from the center of the lens to the focal point is called the focal length. Owing to this special fact, we can see that a magnifying glass or an eyeglass piece can be used to concentrate light energy at a particular point, and therefore cause it to heat up dramatically. Because we can see that a lens with a shorter focal length would have a more dramatic or powerful effect, we can state mathematically that the power of the lens is 1 divided by the focal length. However, this type of power is different than other types of power you may have heard in technical or physical fields, which refers to wattage instead, or how quickly something uses energy. The other most common type of lens is shaped entirely differently. In particular, we can see that it bends in the opposite direction at the edges compared to the first lens, and as a result, it will bend light in the opposite manner as well. So instead of concentrating light at a focal point, it will instead concentrate light away from the focal point. Lenses are applied in things such as cameras or lighthouses, in addition to eyeglasses, in order to focus light, aka make it more clearer. So in the lighthouse example, we would use an object that illuminates light, such as a light bulb, and then use a lens to refract the light in such a manner that they travel in a straight beam-like path, as opposed to spreading out in a radius from the center of the light bulb. Although most of the time, lenses look perfectly flat at first glance, and do not look curved unless you look at them very, very, very closely. In the next tutorial video, I'd like to explain how to mathematically figure out reflections formed by mirrors or similar devices, similar to how we figured out focuses formed by lenses in this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.